All right, big breaking coming in from Chandigarh. An air warning has been received from the Air Force Station of a possible attack. Sirens are being sounded. All have been advised to remain indoors and away from balconies in Chandigarh. This is the information coming in from authorities there. I believe we have a video of what exactly has transpired and the air sirens that are being sounded there in Chandigarh. Let's listen into that. Pavit joins us live from Chandigarh. Pavit, over to you. What exactly are you hearing from authorities? What's the information that has been given to the citizens of Chandigarh?
Yes, exactly. So then an air warning has been given to the citizens of Chandigarh because they have received an information from the Air Force Station Chandigarh that there is a possibility of drone attack in Chandigarh. So all the residents should stay indoor and should avoid coming outdoors. They should shut down their windows, should curtain out their windows and avoid as possible as coming out of their houses. So there has been an advisory which is being circulated by the administration to the localites out there that there is a possibility, because from past 15-20 minutes the air sirens are going around and it could be heard in every nook and corner of the city of Chandigarh city. So a special advisory has been given for the particular sectors which are around the Air Force Station. From 45 sector to 47 sectors, they have been advised to stay indoor and follow the instructions which are being given by the administration out there, because there is a possibility of drone attack from Pakistan. So these are the inputs which are coming from the Air Force Station Chandigarh for the Chandigarh citizens.
All right, thanks so much for the quick update, Pavit. In fact, joining us along with our guests over here in our studio is my colleague Amita. Amita, what we've seen over the last 24 hours, particularly over last night, is the drone swarms that have been sent by Pakistan into the Jammu region, and many are comparing this to the Hamas-style operations that we've seen in the past in Israel. Take us through what really we are looking at.
Well, this is something that would look familiar. What's been happening in the Middle East, the picture that seems to have replicated as far as when it comes to India's efficient and effective response that is coming from the ADS, which is the air defense system. Look at the locations there where Pakistan Hamas-style attack that has been successfully thwarted and foiled by the Indian forces. The Pakistani attack that has been foiled, whether be it along the LOC or whether be it along the international border. And these are the locations mainly which also houses military installations, whether be it in Jammu, Pathankot, Nagrota, Akhnur, Udhampur being one of them, and in Samba the BSF has also foiled an attempt to infiltrate. Looking at far as the Indian attack on Pakistan here is concerned, the picture will be clear in some time from now when we are expecting the MEA briefing, the extent of the damage that India has caused to Pakistan. But right now, speaking of Chandigarh, right now, Madhav, as the information that has been coming in, because right now the situation is, when it comes to the citizens there, to remain vigilant, to remain alert, not to panic, but sirens that have been sounded in Chandigarh.
Absolutely, and we'll once again play out that particular air warning alert that has been given to the citizens of Chandigarh, because clearly, of course, there would be good reason for the authorities to be informing if in case there is such an eventuality, and we have seen it's a pattern that's very clear. We'll go across to Pavit as well. Let's quickly play out once again that air raid warning. All right, Pavit also joining us on the broadcast. Pavit, what's the latest coming in from Chandigarh? What are you hearing? You were telling us that it is the sectors closer to the airport that where these kind of air raid sirens have been sounded, Pavit.
Yes, Madhav, not only this, we are getting an input right now that even Mohali administration has also given advice, has released an advisory for the residents of Mohali that they should also remain indoors and away from windows and glass panes. They have been asked, particularly if I talk about the sectors from 47 to 45 to 47, that these sectors people should remain indoor. Not only these sectors, but specifically they have been told, because these are the area which are near the Air Force Station and Air Force baselines. So they have been asked to remain indoor. Apart from that, now they are not only advising Chandigarh people, but they are also advising the people of Mohali. Even the Mohali administration along with the Chandigarh administration has released the advisory, because the air sirens are being sounded throughout the Chandigarh and Mohali, also in the adjoining areas of Mohali, which are right next to, which share the border with Chandigarh. So they are being advised that there could be a possibility of an attack, because this information has been shared by the Air Force Station Chandigarh that there is a possibility of drone attack in the city, and people out there should stay indoor, because and they should avoid going outside. They should stay indoor and they should avoid minimum. They should do
measures that have been sounded by the administration there. Mohali taking a cue from Chandigarh, because as far as these advisories that have been issued for the residents of Chandigarh, Mohali residents have been also advised to remain vigilant and remaining on high alert.